Today we are doing a long-term analysis of Adani Ports. 2 years ago, we had suggested to buy this stock because the stock had given a multi-year breakout. This was a multi-year resistance as price was consolidated in a range for 6 to 7 years. And after this breakout, the stock doubled, and in fact, it has more than doubled from this level. So this is a post when I had suggested that Adani Port has given a multi-year breakout. This post was 2 years ago, and then I had said that this has happened after 6 7 years of consolidation. So as you see from this level, the stock touched around 1,000 levels also, and that is the power of multi-year breakouts. And you can see when stock retests this zone again, there was again a follow-up buying, and it has again rallied from this level to this level. So now let us discuss the whole chart of Adani ports and what are the future possibilities. So let us start from the start. And if you see, this is a monthly chart. The stock went from this level to this level impulsively. Then there was a small correction and then one more push up. So if you connect the trend line here, you can see this. This was the first impulse to the upside. This followed by a correction, and this correction is in a three-wave structure. And after this, for this impulse, we again got the next impulse to the top. And you can see this is a three-way move. And after that, you can see if you compare the MACD, there is no divergence between these two impulses. As you see, there is no divergence. We are expecting after this move, we are again expecting stock to go to the top. And whether that top from here or by giving us a corrective structure and then one more fall for this upside. So these both are the possibilities, but in future, we are again expecting stock to go above this level. The reason is that on the MACD, there is no divergence. Now let us see this price action on a lower scale weekly chart. Now on a weekly basis, you can see, let me zoom it a bit. You can see at the top of this price action, between this and this wave, there was a divergence. Let me point the divergence. There was a divergence here. So that's why we expected this to fall. And no matter what the news is regarding Adani, there is a divergence on the chart, and you can see from, let me quickly draw the trend line here. And if you connect these trend line here, let me quickly draw this. So you can see at this moment, the price has divergence. Let me show you that divergence also. The momentum at this point and at this point, you can see there is a clear divergence. And that's why we are expecting this fall. And the news was released here regarding Adani, but you can see if you follow these powerful divergent concepts, then you are not in this trade. And now let us see this fall. This fall is very fast. So that if this fall is part of this, let me show you what I'm saying. So if this is a part of this corrective structure, if for this impulse, if this is a corrective structure, then it can quickly go above this. So this is the one possibility, that if this is an expandable flat and now we are getting the next impulse to the top. And if this analysis is not correct, then instead of this impulsive move, let me show you the other possibility. We will get a three-wave corrective structure and then probably one more fall. But in both cases, we are expecting some upside. And then after, even if this is a corrective structure, then we are again expecting it to go up as longer on the monthly chart, there is no divergence. So I hope this point is clear. Now let us go to the daily chart first. So you see this was an area of demand, as this was a multi-year resistance now turning into support. And from this level, you can see if you draw this trend line here, there was a clear breakout. Now, if you see, this went up like an impulsive move. This was a first impulsive move to the top. This followed by a correction and then one more push to the top. Now, this is one wave, which is very fast. Now, probably this is a corrective structure here. And once this correction is over, we are probably expecting it to go top to the top one more time, breaking this top. And after that, we need to check whether this is a only a bigger correction and one more push down, or this gives small correction and then it has more momentum here to clear the stop also. However, in all the cases, if there is more dip, then this stock will be a buy on dip stock. As on a monthly basis, you can see there is no divergence as of now, and this whole looks like a correction going on in a monthly time frame. I hope this analysis helps and this delivers value. Please consider subscribing and liking.